If I had to start my career in content marketing from scratch in 2026, this is exactly what I would do and what I would focus on first. Because trust me, I wish someone had told me this earlier. Hey, my friends, welcome back to my channel where lifestyle meets career growth, inspiration, fashion, and everything in between. If you are new here, my name is Fatima and I am the creative content strategist. On this channel, I share my lifestyle and my career in content marketing. So if that sounds like your kind of thing, make sure to hit the subscribe button and stay with me till the end. Now, today's video is a career talk one, and I want to be really honest with you because I have been in this content marketing space for a while now. And looking back, there are things I would do completely differently if I were starting from scratch in 2026. First of all, let me set the scene clear for you. In early 2026, nearly 65% of marketing leaders say they claim to expand their teams, and content marketing is one of their top priorities. So the demand is very much high. But here is the thing, market has restructured. Mid-level roles have declined sharply, while executive specialists and senior roles are the ones that are high in demand now. What that means for you is the market feels so saturated on the surface, but there are only a very few people who know their onions when it comes to content marketing, and that gap is exactly where the opportunity is for you. So if I were starting my career in content marketing from scratch in 2026, the very first thing I would do before taking any course or certification is to go on LinkedIn and identify 2 or 3 people who are already successful in content marketing, people who are already doing the things I would love to do. I will send them a personalized message, not a generic "Hi, will you mentor me" kind of message. A real thoughtful message that would explain where you are right now and what you are planning to achieve, and genuinely asking if they have any resources they would recommend or if they are open to any kind of mentorship. Why? Because there are thousands of resources out there and majority of them are irrelevant or outdated. Having the right person point you in the right direction will save you months of going in cycles. That one conversation will cut your learning curve in half. Once I have the right resources, which can be a course, a training, or even a newsletter subscription, the next step most people skip is volunteering. Yes, volunteering. I know it doesn't sound glamorous, but hear me out. Volunteering to practice what you are learning while you are still learning is honestly one of the fastest ways to develop expertise, because you are not just consuming information, you are applying it somewhere with actual stakes, and that experience becomes your very first portfolio. A lot of people wait until they feel ready to start building their portfolio, but the truth is, volunteering is how you build your portfolio while you are still figuring things out, and no one is judging you harshly for it because you are just showing up to help. While you are learning and volunteering, the third thing I would do simultaneously is to start building a personal brand online. Yes, talk about what you are learning, post your insights, share your personal journey, because visibility in 2026 is the new gold, and you want people to find you before you even start applying for jobs. You want to be known in the circle you want to work in, and building in public also connects you with likely minded individuals, people you can learn from, collaborate with, and grow alongside. Now, I want to be really honest with you here because this is the part nobody really talk about enough. The thing that would have saved me the most time if I had known from start is consistency. Yes, that's it. You don't need more certifications to validate your skills. What you need to do is to show up every single day, writing, planning, implementing strategies, learning, and then doing it all over again. And I will not lie to you, consistency is hard. Waking up every single day, repeating the same actions, especially when you do not fully understand the full scope of the career and you are just trying to teach yourself with YouTube videos and try and error, it is genuinely hard. But that is also the fastest way to grow, especially in an industry that is evolving as quickly as content marketing is right now. And if you are still sitting there overthinking it, waiting for the perfect moment, the perfect plan, or the perfect feeling of readiness, I want to speak to you directly because I have been exactly where you are. My dear, the perfect time is now. Post that article, share that content, just do it regardless. Because clarity does not come before you start. Clarity comes with consistency. Growth also comes with consistency. And no matter how many courses you take, it is only practical experience that will give you that experience that you truly desire. So stop waiting and start showing up now. And that's it on Career Talk with Fatima. I remain your very own creative content strategist. And my goal is to help business owners build a content system that would help them get found online. Please share this video with someone who needs it. Give me a thumbs up and drop a comment below. I have linked my website below for free resources on content marketing. And if you want regular behind the scenes tips, head over to Instagram and connect with me there. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.